Morning and welcome back to another Maths Conundrum. This one's an absolute doozy, this one, because there's a bit of venom in the comment section about who's correct here. You'll see my answer off to the right here, was I believe if we stick to the BODMAS rules that we know, B stands for brackets, that's doing everything inside the brackets. 5 divided by 1 is 5, then we can eliminate the brackets and it leaves 4 times 3 divided by 2 times, implied multiply there, where there is no sign present, 5. Then everything really sort of happens in the divide multiply stage. We'll move from left to right then. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. As described there by yours truly. But we've got a lot of people here who are saying it's actually 1.2. 1.2 is the correct answer. I'll do the 5 by 1 first. If the 5 is still in the brackets, there's no need for the 5 to be in the brackets. You've resolved that. It's 5. Why is it still in the brackets? Does it need more resolving? If it needs more resolving, then the other equation will be inside the brackets too, but you're multiplying by a 2 that's outside the brackets. So not only are you not constraining your efforts to inside the brackets, but you're also multiplying out of 10. I don't agree with that. Our favorite website, GeoGebra, if we enter it into that, 4 times 3 divided by 2, 5 over 1, it comes up with 6 over 5, which, le gasp, is 1.2. If I do a duplicate input with this, so I'm going to leave that one there, and it says 1.2 there. If I'm going to leave that one there and just show you what this algebra site has done to the equation to make it 1.2. It's gone and changed it so that the brackets surround the 2 times 5 plus 1, which will alter the way the equation is executed. This is not good enough. If I go and put the brackets back round where the brackets were supposed to be, thus reflecting the original post, my algebra site says it's 30. It's also removed the 5 divided by 1 because that absolutely makes no bearing. 5 divided by 1 is 5, which doesn't need a bracket. I could push enter now and it'll just say it's 30. Right? So let's try it. As there is no brackets, we just solve it left to right as everything is in the divide or multiply line. So 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 2 is 6, times 5 is 30, divided by 1 is 30. So it's still 30 either way. I'm not a fan of this multiplying outside of the brackets thing. What is it called? Divisive property? What is it called? I forget the name of it now. But this man is explaining 1.2 the correct answer. 5 divided by 1 first, he's got the brackets, but the 5 is still in the brackets. Well, not if you've resolved it, it's not. After, so you can do the 2 times 5, so he's then multiplied by the 2, which is not inside the brackets, and he's done a multiply out of turn because everything goes from left to right. That's completely changing the way that the equation is supposed to roll. Brackets, operators, division and multiplication from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. Where there is no operator, multiply is implied. And I will get the same answer as my calculator. Even if we do it with the calculator, we don't need to because I've done it with the algebra site. But if we smash that into the standard Windows calculator, it comes up with 30. Don't know where they get this 1.2 from. Maybe you might want to comment down below and tell me how this 1.2 and this distributive property, I remembered the word, how that works. Have a great day.